Okay, hello students. Now in the last lecture we have proved the identities. Now here is also we have to prove the following identities. Number 1, sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta is equal to 2 cosec theta. So I have to prove this identity. Means we have to prove that LHS equal to RHS or RHS is equal to LHS. So we are taking LHS here. So therefore the left hand side is sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay. And now here we have to take the cross multiplication. If you take the cross multiplication here, so what we get? Sin theta into sin theta, that will be sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, that is 1 plus cos theta bracket square divided by product of the denominators. So that is 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Okay, for taking the cross multiplication, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, that is 1 plus cos theta bracket square divided by the product of the denominator 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Now here in the numerator, but take the expansion of this bracket 1 plus cos theta bracket square, but use the formula a plus b bracket square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So sin square theta plus, take the expansion of this bracket, so what we get? 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta, okay, divided by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Okay, but take the expansion of this bracket 1 plus cos theta bracket square. What is 1 plus cos theta bracket square? 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta. Now here that is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. We are taking together sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1 plus 2 cos theta, okay, divided by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Okay, we are taking sin square theta and cos square theta together here, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, what is value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? It is 1. So therefore that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Okay, now here in the numerator, so what we get here? 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 2 cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Okay, here we are taking 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 2 cos theta. Now from the numerator, taking 2 as common, taking 2 common from the numerator. If we are taking 2 as common from the numerator, what we get here? 1 plus cos theta, okay, divided by the denominator is 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Okay, you are taking 2 common from the numerator. Now 1 plus cos theta, that 1 plus cos theta get cancelled from numerator and denominator. So what we get? 2 divided by sin theta. So therefore that is equal to 2 upon sin theta. 1 upon sin theta means cosec theta. So that is 2 cosec theta, and that is nothing but the RHS. That is equal to RHS. Okay, and so therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So that is the required answer. Okay. Okay students, now here is the next question. We have to prove that tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. We have to prove that tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. So take the left hand side here. So what is left hand side? Tan theta divided by sec theta minus 1. Okay. Now that is equal to, what is RHS? Sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Now here we are going to multiply and dividing by sec theta plus 1. Here we have to multiply and dividing by sec theta plus 1. Sec theta plus 1 divided by sec theta plus 1. Because we know that if you take the product here, sec theta minus 1, sec theta plus 1, that will be sec square theta minus 1. And what will be the value of sec square theta minus 1? It is a tan square theta. So we have to multiply and dividing by sec theta plus 1 here. So equal to, the numerator is tan theta into sec theta plus 1 divided by a minus b, a plus b, sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1, and that is equal to sec square theta minus 1, sec square theta minus 1 or 1 square, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So sec square theta minus 1 square means 1. Now we know that the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and therefore tan square theta is equal to, transfer 1 on the right hand side, so sec square theta minus 1. So sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So I have to put this value of sec square theta minus 1 as tan square theta. So numerator as it is, so tan theta into sec theta plus 1 divided by sec square theta minus 1, that is tan square theta. Okay. Now here tan theta cancel, square get cancel. So therefore LHS is equal to, in the numerator we get sec theta plus 1 and the denominator is tan theta. Okay, 1 tan theta get cancelled from numerator and denominator here. Okay, so that is nothing but the right hand side. What is right hand side? Sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta, and so therefore that is equal to RHS. Okay, so LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Okay, next question here. We have to prove that sec A plus cos A into, in second bracket, sec A minus cos A, that is equal to tan square A plus sin square A. Sec A plus cos A into, in second bracket, sec A minus cos A is equal to tan square A plus sin square A. Okay. So I take the left hand side here. The left hand side is equal to, the first bracket is sec A plus cos A into the second bracket sec A minus cos A. Okay. Sec A plus cos A into sec A minus cos A, it is in the form of A plus B, A minus B, A plus B, A minus B, A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. We have to use that formula here. So what we get? Sec square A minus cos square A. Okay. Okay. Sec square A minus cos square A. Now on the RHS there is tan square A and sin square A. So I have to use the identities here. Now sec square A. What is sec square A? 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, and sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So therefore what is cos square A? cos square equal to 1 minus sin square a. Okay, so we have to put these values here. Sec square a, what is the identity? 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. The value of sec square a is 1 plus tan square a. Okay, minus, now what is the value of cos square a? Cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So therefore here we get 1 minus sin square a. So now we have to open that bracket here. 1 plus tan square a, open the bracket, minus 1, here minus minus plus sin square a. Okay, and so that is equal to 1 minus 1 get cancel. So what we get here? Tan square a plus sin square a, and that is nothing but the right hand side. Tan square a plus sin square a, that is the RHS. Okay, so therefore left hand side equal to right hand side, therefore that is the required proof. Okay, the next question, you have to prove that 1 plus 3 cosec square theta cot square theta plus cot raised to 6 theta is equal to cosec raised to 6 theta. Okay, 1 plus 3 cos square of theta into cot square of theta plus cot raised to 6 of theta is equal to cosec raised to 6 of theta. Okay, so I have to take the RHS here by taking the right hand side. The right hand side is equal to cosec raised to 6 theta. Okay, now it can be written as cosec square theta bracket cube, cosec square theta bracket cube. Okay, cosec raised to 6 theta can be written as cosec square theta bracket cube. A raised to mn, a raised to m raised to n. Okay, now here what to use the identity? Cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta, here we get bracket cube. Cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, it is the identity. Now here what to take the expansion? What to take the expansion? What to use the formula? What is the formula? A plus b bracket cube is a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. What to use this formula here? 1 plus cot square theta bracket cube, a plus b bracket cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a into b square plus b cube. Here a means 1 and b is equal to cot square theta. Okay, so I have to put this value in the RHS of this formula. A cube means 1 cube plus 3, a square means 1 square, b means cot square theta plus 3, a means 1, b square, what is the value of b? Cot square theta bracket square, b square, what is b? Cot square theta, here we get square because here is the b square plus b cube, what is the value of b? Cot square theta, so cot square theta bracket raised to 3. Okay, and now that is equal to 1 cube is 1 plus 3, here we get cot square theta plus 3. Now here we get cot square theta bracket square means cot raised to 4 theta plus cot square theta bracket cube, that is nothing but cot raised to 6 theta, that is nothing but cot raised to 6 theta. Okay, cot square theta bracket square, cot raised to 4 theta, cot square theta bracket cube, that is cot raised to 6 of theta. Okay, now here from the middle two terms we are taking 3 cot square theta as common. We are taking 3 cot square theta as common. So 1 plus, if we take 3 cot square theta common, if we are taking 3 cot square theta, as common from the middle two terms. So what we get here? 1 plus 3 cot raised to 4 theta. We are taking 3 cot square theta common. So you get cot square theta plus cot raised to 6 theta. 3 cot square theta plus 3 cot raised to 4 theta. यामधनं आपण 3 cot square theta कॉमन घेतलाय, त्यामुळे या ठिकाणी राहणार 1 प्लस आणि या टर्ममधनं आपण 3 cot square theta कॉमन घेतलंय म्हणजे राहणार आहे cot square theta. नाव हियर वी हॅव टू यूज द आयडेंटिटी. व्हॉट इज 1 प्लस cot square theta? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, and therefore the right hand side is equal to what we get? 1 plus 3 cot square theta into 1 plus cot square theta, that is cosec square theta. So 3 cot square theta into cosec square theta plus cot raised to 6 theta, okay, plus cot raised to 6 theta, and that is nothing but the left hand side, that is the LHS, okay. So RHS is equal to LHS, and that is the required proof there, okay. Okay students, now here is the next question here. We have to prove the following. Number 1, sin square A cos square B plus cos square A sin square B plus cos square A cos square B plus sin square A sin square B is equal to 1. So here is the solution. But take the left hand side and we will prove that left hand side is equal to 1. So that is the right hand side. So what is the left hand side here? So left hand side is sin square A cos square B plus cos square A into sin square B plus cos square A into cos square B plus sin square A sin square B, okay. Sin square A cos square B plus cos square A sin square B plus cos square A cos square B plus sin square A sin square B, okay. Now here but write down as two terms together. Sin square A cos square B sin square A cos square B, that is the first term, plus the last term is sin square A sin square B plus, now take the middle two terms, that is cos square A sin square B plus cos square A into cos square B, okay. So taking the first and last term together plus the middle two terms here. Now from the first bracket we are taking sin square A as common, taking sin square A as common from the first bracket. If we are taking sin square A as common, so what we get here? Cos square B plus sin square B, okay, plus now from the second bracket we take cos square A as common, taking cos square A as common, so we take cos square A as common, so what we get in bracket? Sin square B plus cos square B, okay, sin square B plus cos square B. Now it is the identity. What is value of cos square B plus sin square B? 1. What is value of sin square B plus cos square B? It is 1. So therefore that is equal to sin square A into 1 plus cos square A into 1, because sin square B plus cos square B is 1, sin square B plus cos square B is 1. Now that is equal to sin square A plus cos square A. Now again it is the identity, sin square A plus cos square A, that is also 1, okay. So that is nothing but the RHS. So that is the RHS. Okay, so that is the required proof. Okay students, here is the next question. We have to prove that 1 plus cot theta plus tan theta into sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by sec cube theta minus cosec cube theta, that is equal to sin square theta cos square theta. 1 plus cot theta plus tan theta into, in second bracket, sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by sec cube theta minus cosec cube theta, that is equal to sin square theta into cos square theta. So I'll take the left hand side here. What is the left hand side? 1 plus cot theta plus tan theta into, in second bracket, sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by sec cube theta minus cosec cube theta. Okay, now that is equal to, here 1 plus, now write down cot theta as cos theta upon sin theta. Cot theta means cos theta upon sin theta plus, what is tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta into, in second bracket, sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by sec cube theta can be written as 1 upon cos cube theta minus cosec cube theta means 1 upon sin cube theta. Cosec cube theta, that is equal to 1 upon sin cube theta. So that is equal to 1 plus. Now here we have to take the cross multiplication for these two terms. Taking the cross multiplication here. Now if we take the cross multiplication, what we get? Cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta, plus sin theta into sin theta, that will be sin square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Taking the cross multiplication in these two terms. Now this bracket as it is, sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by, now take the cross multiplication in the denominator, taking the cross multiplication here. So what we get? Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta divided by cos cube theta into sin cube theta. Okay. Now here this denominator of denominator, cos cube theta sin cube theta, goes in the numerator. So therefore that is equal to, now here in this bracket we take the cross multiplication here. Okay, first we have to put the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. So 1 plus, here we get cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, here we are putting the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. It is identity, its value is 1 divided by sin theta cos theta as it is into sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now here division opposite to multiplication, therefore cos cube theta into sin cube theta goes in the numerator. So here we get cos cube theta into sin cube theta whole divided by sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Okay, now here in the denominator, we have to use the formula. We are going to use the formula a cube minus b cube, that is equal to, what is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is a minus b into, in second bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. In the denominator we have to use this formula, a cube minus b cube, it is identity, a cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b into the second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, but use this identity in the denominator. So therefore that is equal to, now here what we take the cross multiplication. So if we take the cross multiplication, what we get? Sin theta cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, we are taking the cross multiplication in this bracket into sin theta minus cos theta as it is. Okay, sin theta minus cos theta as it is. Cos cube theta into sin cube theta. Cos cube theta into sin cube theta whole divided by, now in the denominator what you use this formula, a cube minus b cube. Here a means sin theta, b means cos theta. So what we get here? Sin theta minus cos theta into, in second bracket, a minus b, that is sin theta minus cos theta, in second bracket a square means sin square theta plus ab means sin theta into cos theta plus b square means cos square theta. Okay, a cube minus b cube, a minus b, in second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. A means sin theta, b means cos theta. Now here this factor get cancelled, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta get cancelled. So what we get here? Sin theta cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, into काय येणार इथं? cos cube theta into sin cube theta. Okay, whole divided by, this factor get cancelled from numerator and denominator. Now in the denominator we are taking these two terms together, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. Okay, now that is equal to, now see here in the numerator sin theta, sin cube theta upon sin theta means here we get sin square theta, cos cube theta upon cos theta means here we get cos square theta. So what we get here? Sin theta cos theta plus 1 cos cube theta upon cos theta means cos square theta. 1 cos theta get cancelled. Sin cube theta upon sin theta means sin square theta. 1 sin theta get cancelled. Divided by, now here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now see here 1 plus sin theta cos theta. Here is also 1 plus sin theta cos theta. So this bracket get cancelled from numerator and denominator. So what we get here? So that is equal to, say, sin square theta into cos square theta, and that is nothing but the right hand side. So that is equal to RHS, and therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that is the required proof.